The death of someone so young is obviously hard on his loved ones. It's also tough on first responders.
They showed up on a scene like that and have to remove all emotions and focus on their jobs. A local counselor tells Dylan Sraki that can take a toll on mental health.
A local nonprofit that connects first responders to mental health resources tells me more people are reaching out this year than ever before. They want to remind officers it's okay to ask for help.
Seeing and dealing with events from yesterday are very, very difficult for the first responders.
Rockford Police Chief Dan O'Shea says events like Thursday's shooting can stick with officers long after they leave the crime scene.
They have to deal with that, not just yesterday, but going forward.
Kevin Polkey is a licensed clinical social worker who has experience working with first responders. He says they might be more susceptible to trauma in situations that can connect to their personal lives.
If you're a father or you're an uncle, you're an aunt, you're a mom, and then you see a 3-year-old, then that brings you back to when your child was a 3-year-old. Or if you're pregnant or your wife was pregnant, then that brings you back to that space, and there's that vulnerability.
O'Shea says there are support services in place for officers who may be struggling to cope.
We always try and take care of first responders and the officers and the detectives. We check on them, but we also have multiple avenues that they can get to make sure that they can deal with it as well.
Fellow officers are great support staff, but sometimes you need medical help, and you shouldn't be ashamed to seek that help because that's what it's there for.
Ted Getty is a retired Rockford police officer and current board member of the Greg Lindmark Foundation. The organization was created in 2015 to help first responders who may need additional mental health support. Getty says a stressful 2020 has led to an increase in people reaching out.
There's a lot of depression going on right now because of the pandemic, and people aren't able to do the things they want to do, visit with the family they want to visit with. So it takes a toll on you, and it also takes a toll on the officers too, because every time they go to a call, that's what they're faced with.
Getty encourages any first responder who needs help to reach out to the Greg Lindmark Foundation through their website or Facebook page. Reporting in Rockford for your home team, I'm Dylan Sraki.
We will continue to follow this story as new information comes in. Keep track of it all on our website, mystateline.com.